Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Tabby for the first time. So let's get started. Tabby lets you buy now, pay later, split payments into 4 installments with usually interest free, and you can shop online or in store. So you're going to download the Tabby app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and you can also choose Tabby at checkout if you want to do so. And you're going to make sure to type down your phone number, email, and verify with OTP. There is no long forms like traditional banks. So once you have created your account, you could add a debit or credit card. This is used for first payment, future automatic installments, and prepaid cards that usually don't work. So option 1 is shopping online. So in order to make your first purchase, you can go to any of the store that supports Tabby, and you can add items to cart, and at checkout, you can select Tabby. And after that, you're going to choose the installments, like you can choose payment plan, which includes usually 4 interest-free payments installments. Or you can go to the shop over here and you can select any electronics, mobiles, anything that you want, and they will redirect you to the website that supports Tabby. And if you do have your account active, you'll be able to see a pay in store button, and it will generate a QR code or give you a payment code, and you can physically show that QR code or payment code during your in-store checkout. And let's say the product price was $100. You'll pay $25 now, $25 in 2 weeks, $25 in 4 weeks, and finally $25 in 6 weeks, which is usually 0% interest if paid on time. And inside the app, you can see the upcoming payments, pay early, enable reminders, and not every purchase is approved. Tabby checks your history, your payment behavior, order value, and if declined, then you can try a smaller amount or use a different store. So that is basically how you can use Tabby app for the first time. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.